Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning lesson number 9 regarding Dhamma, and the page is page number 19. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أو بو تو ثو جو حو خو. For every Dhamma, you have to circle your lips very well and you have to engage the right makhraj. U, bu, tu, su, ju, hu, khu, du, zu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, lu, tu, vu, ru, gu, fu, u, gu, lu, mu, nu, wu, hu, u, you. Can you see the red letters in this page? Whichever letter is in red color, these are heavy letters. So you have to make them heavy. You will lift the root of your tongue to make any letter heavy. Don't ever circle your lips. So we are practicing this lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. جعل جعل جعل. Ain from your throat very clearly. خلق خلق خلق. قلقلة at the end. ذكر ذكر ذكر. There will be tawassut at the end because you will give sukoon. سئل سئل سئل. There will be tawassut at the end. ظلم ظلم ظلم. Tawassut on meme. Medium flow of sound. منيع منيع منيع. Tawassut on ain. لعن لعن لعن. Tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Len Umar are 5 letters. Len Umar. These are the 5 letters. Lam, Noon, Ain, Mim, Ra. Whenever you find any of these letters with sukoon, you will give tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lu'ina, lu'ina, lu'in. Hudiya, hudiya, hudi. Wujida, wujida, wujid. Suqiqa, suqiqa, suqiqa. You're giving qalqala at the end. Qutubu jaddin. Qaf, qa, qaf, qa, ba, jim, dal. Qutubu jaddin are the 5 letters. Whenever these letters comes with sukoon, you give qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. You close the makhraj very tightly and then you open it to create qalqala. Suqiqa, Fi. Ya. Ain from your throat very clearly. Rufiya. Rufi. Hu. Shi. Ra. Hushira. Hushir. Give the wasut on ra because you gave sakun on the on ra to give it waqf, so it will fall in this category lin umar. So you will give tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. The abbreviation of tawassut is capital T, and abbreviation of qalqala is capital Q. So you can add these signs here. Hubuki, hubuki, hubuk. Suhufi, suhufi, suhuf. And whenever you find فحسه, فحسه شخص سكت. فحسه شخص سكت. These are the letters فحث. هو شخص سكت. شخص سكت. These are the letters whenever they come with sakun will get hums. Hums is a flow of breath, and abbreviation of hums is capital H and M. فحثه شخص سكت. So you will give hums on kaf, you will give hums on fa. And look how I'm creating it. Suhuf, hubuk, uduni, uduni, udun, rubu'u, rubu'u, rubu', a'idhu, 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 taziru, taziru, tazir. You'll give tawassut here because this is among letters of lin umar. Yarithu, yarithu, yarith. Ya'idu, ya'idu, ya'id. So now we will start giving abbreviation of over here. Ju'il. What we are doing here? Tawassut. Khuliqa. At the end, we are giving qalqala. So we are giving abbreviations. Dhukir, tawassut. Su'il, tawassut. Zulim, tawassut. Medium flow of sound. Muni', tawassut. Lu'in, tawassut. Hudi, long vowel. Wujid, qalqala. Suqita, qalqala. Ufi, long vowel. Hushir, tawassut. Hubuk, hams. Sorry. Suhuf, hams. Udin, tawassut. Rubu', tawassut. A'id, rakhawa. Tazir, tawassut. Yarith, rakhawa. Ya'id, qalqala. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.